Welcome. If you're looking to change your gender to man in the Roblox mobile app, you've come to the right place. Whether you're updating your profile or just want your avatar to better reflect you, I'll walk you through each step to make this quick and easy. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons, but the one you want is the 3 dots labeled More on the bottom right. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a menu pop up with a bunch of different options. Scroll down until you find the Settings option. It usually has a little gear icon next to it. Tap on Settings to open up your account settings. Next, you'll be taken to a new page with several settings categories. Find and tap on Account Info. This is where you can update your personal information, including your gender. Once you're in the Account Info section, look for the Gender option. It's usually located a little further down the page. You'll see 2 icons, one for man and one for woman. To change your gender to man, simply tap on the man icon. It should highlight or fill in to show your selection. After you've tapped the man icon, your change is saved automatically. There's no need to hit a save button. Roblox updates your profile right away. You can double-check by leaving the page and coming back to make sure your gender is set to man. And that's it. You've successfully changed your gender to man in the Roblox mobile app. Now your profile reflects exactly who you are, and you're ready to jump back into your favorite Roblox games with your updated info. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.